Back in 2009, one mobile game changed everything for football fans. It was Real Football 2009 HD, developed by Gameloft, and it looked incredible for its time. Designed for Nokia Symbian S60v3 phones, like the N95, N82, and E72, this game brought console-like football to your pocket. What made it special? True HD graphics for that time, with smoother animations, realistic player movements, stadium sounds, and weather effects. Over 200 licensed clubs and national teams with real player names. Game modes like Quick Match, League, International Cup, and Penalty Shootout. You could pass, cross-tackle, and score with full 3D gameplay on a small screen. It was like having a mini FIFA in your pocket before smartphones even existed. Fun fact, the game even had commentary-style sound effects, and some devices supported multiplayer via Bluetooth. Today, it still runs on original Symbian phones, and also on PC using the EK812 emulator. What team did you play with in Real Football 2009? Drop a comment and follow for more retro mobile game history.